welcome back to my channel again. So today it's going to be pen and wash, and I've taken a reference photo of China wall. So it just wanted to paint this for a long time, and then also takes into consideration of perspective. I'll explain all about that, but before that, if you're here for the first time, please subscribe to my channel, and then if you like the video, don't forget to hit that like button. That helps, that keeps me motivated and helps my channel to grow as well. So let's get back to the painting. So I've chosen pen and wash. Pen and wash can be with the paint or otherwise watercolor. In this case, actually I've used watercolor. So it's just the watercolor. I've concentrated on again highlights and shadows. And if you see the drawing that I have done, actually the drawing itself has taken 30-35 minutes. Slow process, but you have to keep in mind that the path is one point perspective, and the building actually is not straight wall, little bit slanted, so the lines are going to go upwards and reach that vanishing point there. So it's a 3-point perspective, similar to some kind of lamp. And then the depth you need to make sure based on your perspective. So that's the main thing. And the color is just a wash, like I said, because if I apply too dark, and then I might hide those lines. The pen I've used is just a waterproof pen. You can buy it from a local stationery shop. I didn't use let me show you. This one is 0.5, another one is micron. So this is the micron one, this is the one which I didn't use. I've used a little bit thicker one. So because thicker one, if you apply enough pressure and then draw it, then you might be able to see very thicker lines. In certain parts I've used thicker lines, and certain parts I've just like a dry brush type of technique, I've just drawn straight scratch lines. But if you see, all the lines which are going on the side walls are actually based on one point perspective. So keep that in mind. It's very important that you follow the perspective here. If not, what will happen is if you are actually facing just a wall, so it is just a flat surface. And for the shadow, I've used crimson and ultramarine blue. I should have gone keeping in mind that it's summer, sunlight, and then maybe warm shadow instead of cold shadow. But anyway, I've done it. So if you want, what you can do is you can actually use warm shadow, maybe thin wash of burnt sienna. I think that should be the better option. If not, raw umber you can try, but burnt sienna should be a good one instead of this. So that way actually it shows a good shadow light from that. Some details are there, but you don't have to pay too much attention to each and every detail. So you have to keep in mind that it's pen and wash. You have to do it faster. When I say fast, drawing actually has taken, even urban sketching is still the same. The main thing is the drawing actually plays an important role, and then the second part is how you put the wash of the colors itself. So it's very important that you manage values, no matter which color you put, but you manage highlights and shadows. Very, very important. So, and on top of that, if you like this video, and I have similar videos which you can actually check it out. They are very interesting. Similar pen and wash, just normal watercolor is also there, but if you're particularly interested in pen and watercolor, what I would suggest is please go through the videos of pen and wash, very simple landscape ones, and you should be able to paint them easily. So if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and then enjoy your time, and then I'll see you in my next video.